Some of you have asked to see some of the areas that I go to and the neighborhoods and what I look for when I'm looking at a neighborhood. So today I did a vlog for you. So it's a little bit different from what I normally do, but let me know in the comments down below if you like it and if you want to see more of those. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will jump right in. Hey everyone, Brittany with Brittany Hannon Real Estate. Today I was out at the Channel Islands Harbor looking at houses in the marina and the canals. It's such a cute area out here. I love it. What I really love about this area is that some of these houses are older and major fixer-uppers, and some of them are built from the ground up. So you really have a lot of opportunity here, whether you want to come in and buy a turnkey or whether you want to come in and buy a major fixer, because you're going to be able to find both in this area. This is such a cute little neighborhood, and every single house backs to the water. So that is waterfront property. The highest thing that you're going to see is $2 to $3 million, and those are for completely renovated, completely remodeled custom homes. But you can definitely find things in here for 1.2 million, and if you really are willing to put some work into it, you can find some things for even better deals than that. This area is really close to the beach, walking distance to Hollywood Beach, really close to the harbor. You just go across the street and the harbor's there. Or since you're right on the water, you can kayak or paddleboard to the restaurants on the harbor and in the marina. And it's just a great way to live. It's really just, if you love the water, if you love water sports, if you love the weather, this is a great place to be. And then a little further up the beach, about 15-20 minutes, you have downtown Ventura, where they have all kinds of restaurants, all kinds of little shops and antique shops and things for you to do. So it's a really fun area. It's in between LA and Santa Barbara, and so if you are trying to get away but don't want to go as far as Santa Barbara, this might be a great little stop for you. There's not a lot going on in these side streets, and so it's nice and quiet, and you're able to just live a quiet life, play in the water, have fun, and then if you are not living here full time, go home and go back to work. But it's a nice place to come and recharge. And what I love about it too is that you still have great Wi-Fi access. I just went to the mountains and the Wi-Fi was terrible. What's nice about being out here is that you're disconnected enough and you're far away enough that you can feel refreshed and recharge, but you're still connected enough that you can have great Wi-Fi. You have Starbucks down the street. You still have Target, and Amazon will deliver to you, and friends will come visit. If you are looking for investing in something, this is a great consideration. Just take a look on Airbnb and see waterfront properties in Oxnard. See what they go for a week or a month. Because if you take one of these houses, they're about 3 or 4 bedrooms each. Some of them even have areas with separate entrances, so you can live in it and rent out the rest. It's really a great opportunity if you're willing to do that. This might be a good way for you to get in on investing in real estate or investing in a vacation home, because I know of families who have gone in together, and with a group of about 5 families, they each put in about $400,000, and now they have a vacation home worth $2 million. They're able to rent it out, get some income, but they're also able to come and enjoy it when they're available. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know down below what you thought about Channel Islands Harbor and the homes there. Such a cute little area, and I love to drive around there and just look to see what's for sale and what's coming, what has just sold, and I love to share it with you. So let me know if you like to see that. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time a video is uploaded, and we'll see you in the next video. My little assistant.